Yo guys, what is good? My name is Anthony Scheme, and I couldn't be more excited to be presenting Tech House elements from Orion Shea and myself's newest project, Avant Samples. This pack is filled with the highest quality presets, samples, loops, vocals, and more, built to aid you in creating the best modern tech house and bass house. We founded Avant to bring producers packs that will truly help an artist create the sound that they want to achieve. Being producers and artists ourselves, we truly understand the wants and needs of other producers, and we're here to deliver with one of our first packs, Tech House elements. So without further ado, let's hop right into the pack and show you what it has to offer. So opening up the pack in FL here, you can see some of the initial contents that are included. We have bass loops, bass one-shots, bassline MIDI loops, claps, FX, hats, kicks, lead one-shots, perks, shakers, top loops, and vocals. So I want to show you guys some of these bass presets that the pack has. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into the bassline MIDI loop section of the pack. As you guys can see here, we have 25 MIDIs that we built ourselves to give your guys' tracks that tech house groove that you want. And you could either use these MIDIs straight up in your tracks, or you can take these and inspire yourself to make something fresh and new. That's what we want to do here is we want to give you tools that are going to help you build those tracks, whether you want to just pull these MIDIs in yourself and throw them into the track, or you want to take these MIDIs and make something fresh. So now that I have my MIDI in, I'm going to go over to my basses from the pack, and I'm just going to play through some of them so you guys can check them out. And there's a lot more where that came from. I just want to give you guys a quick preview of these basses. As you guys can see, they're those sounds that within tech house that just lead that tech house groove. And honestly, I've been using a lot of these myself in my tracks that I've been working on since we finished this pack up. So now I want to go ahead and show you guys some of these leads that we have in here. I was really excited with how these came out, and I think they're fantastic for making that tech house sound that's really popular right now. So as you guys can see, tons of these leads, there's so many ideas, there's so many things you can play around with and incorporate into your tracks, and there's so much more than what I just showed here as well. So now I just want to quickly run through some of the other samples and bounces that we have within the pack. So right here, if you go to bass loops, what we've done is we've taken the 25 MIDIs that we designed and we paired them with one of the bass sounds that we think best suits the pack. So all the sounds that you're going to be hearing here are built from the pack using the MIDIs and the presets that are included with the pack. So you can come in here and simply just pull one of these bass loops out and throw it into your track. Or if you want to tweak anything, you can go ahead and find the MIDI for it and find the sound for it and completely customize it however you'd like. So as you guys can see, there's tons of different ideas to play around with here as well. And the cool thing is like I said, is all these are built with the pack. You know what I mean? I hate going into a pack and finding a really cool sound or really cool loop and just having no idea how they made it. You know, I'm kind of stuck with whatever was bounced there. But here, you're able to either take the full bounces or find those individual things within the pack and build out something completely custom for yourself. So next I want to go into the bass one-shots. Once again, these are just one-shots of all the different sounds we have. So if you're not a serum producer, that's all right. You can still have each one of these sounds rendered individually that you can take, throw into your project and use however you'd like. We have our claps. We have 20 claps here that are built and made just to really give you those punchy, nice claps that you hear within tech house. We can preview some of them here. And like I said, there's 20 of those. And I mean, as I've been producing my own tracks since we finished this, I mean, I've just been referencing back to this pack so much. I mean, it's genuinely my favorite tech house pack. Like obviously I took part in making it, but once again, I just want to use all these sounds and all the tracks that I've been working on myself. Let's go ahead and dive into the FX here. We have 4 random FX that you can use and play around with however you'd like. And then we also have our individual falls, impacts, and risers. And I've really been liking these risers. I've just been throwing them into random parts of the track just to help build that energy, and it's been great to have these pre-made and ready to go whenever I want to reference back to them and use them. So now we have our hats, another 20 hats crafted to really give you guys that tech house sound. Really, really solid hats. I've been loving using these. And then we have 24 kicks, kind of a weird number, but we set out to do 20 and we just kind of kept getting inspired to make more and more and more. So we threw in some extra for y'all. But these kicks are really, really fantastic. We have our lead one-shots, so similar to the base one-shots. These are all taken from sounds that are within the Serum pack and bounced so that somebody might be able to use them outside of Serum, or you can also take these and resample them and kind of just play around with them and make something completely fresh. Let's go ahead and run through some of these. These will also give you guys a good idea of some of the other leads from the presets that we've included and how we'd see them being used best. Super, super fun to have these to just throw in and see how you like the sound. And then you can also reference back into those Serum presets and tweak it and do something completely fresh with it. We've included a ton of perk shots as we love making perks. Just give you guys a preview of some of them here. I mean, you can take these and do so many things with them, especially if you're really, really into resampling like myself. And we've also taken some of these perk shots and turned them into perk loops that are really, really cool. Really, really cool stuff there. Really fun to play around with and to throw into your tracks. We've also included some shaker shots as well as shaker loops. As well as our top loops, which we've included full versions as well as just top loop versions. So you guys can get an idea of what that is here. And once again, all these loops have been made from the perks included within the pack, so that you guys are able to kind of take inspiration from these full loops and then kind of maybe retweak them and use the individual one-shot sounds from the packs to create your guys' own. Whatever you guys, whatever flows with your creativity, we want to provide all those tools to get you there. We have also included 4 vocals, both rendered in dry and wet, which I'm super excited about. Personally, finding tech house vocals is always a pain in the ass, so it's great to have 4 here that are really made with that tech house sound in mind, that you can easily pull and throw into your guys' track and use as you please. Let's go ahead and run through them here.
Dance, move, groove. Dance, move, groove. We'll move all night. We'll move all night. Clubs hot. Kicks pop. Claps hit. You and me. Moving. You and me.
And that about wraps up with what we have for the contents of the pack. We're also going to be including the full Fruity Loops project file and Ableton project files from the demo tracks that we've made. Everything that you guys hear in those demo tracks were made using everything from this pack. So we wanted to include those so you could dive into those and see how us personally would use this pack to create a full tech house tune and maybe give you guys some inspiration down the road for yourself. So yeah, guys, that's the entirety of the pack. I couldn't be more happy with the way it turned out. This is personally my favorite tech house pack that I have on my computer. I've been referencing back to it constantly when building out my own tracks, and I can't wait to see what some of you guys are going to be able to use and create using what we set out here. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy the pack, and we'd love to hear your feedback on our socials, so definitely link with us there. We'd love to hear more about what you guys want in the future as far as different genres, sounds, styles of packs. And yeah, we just can't wait to see the response. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. We'll be responding to them all and making sure that you guys are stoked with the pack and making sure that you guys are stoked with the direction that we're taking this. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy the pack. Peace.